Hey, can you talk about the weather in English?
Yeah, I can try. Why do you ask?
Well, it's a great way to start conversations with people you don't know.
That's true, like when you meet someone new.
Exactly, and it's easy to talk about the weather.
So, what's it like today?
It's sunny here. How about where you are?
It's cloudy, but that's okay. I'm fine with it.
I love sunny days. How about you?
I like them too, but I also like rainy days.
Really? Why do you like rainy days?
I don't know, it's just really relaxing.
That makes sense. Rain can be soothing.
So, what do you like to do when it's sunny?
I like to go for a walk or have a picnic.
That sounds fun. I like to read a book.
Reading is great. I should do that more often.
You should, it's really good for you.
I think I will. Thanks for the idea.
No problem, happy to help.
So, what's your favorite kind of weather?
I think I like spring. The flowers are beautiful.
Spring is lovely. I like summer too.
Summer's great, but it can get really hot.
That's true. I prefer mild weather.
Mild weather is perfect, not too hot or too cold.
Exactly, just right.
So, let's review some key phrases we learned today.
Like what?
Like what's the weather like today, or I like sunny days.
Those are helpful. Thanks for reminding me.
No problem, practice every day and you'll get better.
I will. Thanks for the tips.
You're welcome. Now go practice talking about the weather.
I'll try. Thanks, Anna.
Good luck, and don't forget to have fun.